Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, well, welcome. My name is Donna, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing a new Louis Vuitton bag. And if you guys have already watched my wish list, you probably already know the bag I'm going to be unboxing today. If you haven't, well, stay tuned and I hope you enjoy the video. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, I've had this bag kind of wrapped up and boxed up for about a week now. I haven't had a chance to film this video, so it's kind of been sitting in my closet and I've kind of been controlling myself and like exerting myself not to open the box. So as you all know, it comes in this like tannish paper bag with blue straps or handles. I'm gonna take out the box now. So it comes perfectly wrapped in this box that says Louis Vuitton at the front with blue ribbon. I'm just gonna take this bag out of the way. And before I open it, I just wanna tell you a little bit about my story. So last week we were shopping at Holt Renfrew and it wasn't really my objective to go there and buy a handbag, but it was towards the end of the day and we were like, well, Fred suggested, why don't we just walk into Louis Vuitton, see what they have, you can look at the bag and make your decision later on. So we get into the line. Because of COVID, you kind of have to wait outside the boutique in line, and as soon as an SA frees up, they kind of come to get you or the next person in line, and you kind of walk off into the boutique with them and you look at whatever bag you want to look at, basically. So it was my turn to walk in. I had two bags in mind I really wanted to see. It was either the Speedy 25 in monogram or the Alma BB in the Damier Ebene. So right off the bat, my SA Gus lets me know, well, you know, there's kind of been a shortage in Canada for the Speedy 25s. We haven't received any in months. So unfortunately, I don't have that one. I'm gonna go take a look in the back if I have the Alma BB. So he walks off. He comes back out empty-handed, so I was like, oh great. I guess the same is true for the Alma BB. But instead he informs me that, well, there's only one left in the whole boutique. I'll try to find it for you. Finally, he comes out with the Alma BB. I take a look at it. I try it on in front of the mirror. And obviously I wanted to see where it was made. To my surprise, it was made in France. And Gus, the SA, was surprised as well. He's like, oh, we usually never get Alma BBs made in France. They're usually from California or Spain. So that was it. That's when I decided, no, I can't let this bag go. The stars are aligned. This bag is for me. It's the only one left in the whole Montreal boutique, and it's made in France. So I was so excited to take her home. And now let's get to the unboxing. So I'm just gonna pull the ribbon out. I just want to show you the dust bag before I open it. So it comes in a dust bag like this. And guys, here it is. Ah, she's just so beautiful, in perfect condition. And as you can see, it's made in France. I love it. There's a little clochette and there is Louis Vuitton stamped or embossed onto it. I am planning on getting it hot stamped eventually with my initials. I love the bottom, the little studs or feet. It has the lock as well on the sides. It smells great. It smells new. I love it. And the reason I decided to go for the Damier Ebene versus the monogram, because I am a huge fan of the monogram, as you might know, is because the only thing that turned me off in this style was that the bottom was all in the kettle leather, and I just found it was just too easy to get ruined and I would just go crazy trying to take care of it. So with the treated leather, the treated brown leather at the bottom, it's just easier, more durable. I have more peace of mind as well. And I just thought, because the Alma is such a unique shape, it's like kind of a half ovally shape, With a Damier Ebene, it kind of adds to that quirkiness, that kind of whimsical look, whereas sometimes Damier Ebene on bigger bags or different styles can look kind of like Madame. But on an Alma BB, I find it accentuates the shape. So let's just open it up. It does come with a crossbody strap as well. So I'm gonna open that up for you to show you. Like this. So obviously, it's the same brown as the handles. You would just attach it to the bag. So you do kind of have the option of wearing it crossbody or as a top handle, which is perfect for me. And last thing, they give you the little bag for the lock in case you ever want to remove it for whatever reason. So here's my Alma BB. I'm so excited to start using it. I can't wait to get a bag shaper for my bag and just to start carrying it around. It's the perfect summer bag, and I'll keep you guys posted on the wear and tear and just how this bag has held up and different ways to style it. So if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to subscribe. It does help the channel grow. Give it a thumbs up. Leave all your comments, questions below in the description box. I'll be sure to answer them, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.